coffee lovers and internet explorers, welcome back to SipCyber. Some places don't try too hard to be welcoming. They just are. I was recently sitting at Latte Coffee on 7th Street in St. Paul, Minnesota, holding this bright caramel salty dog latte and noticing how easy it felt to be there. And in the corner, there they were, that group of retirees. The same table, same rhythm, newspaper folded between them, a conversation that had clearly started long before I walked in. Just coffee, conversation, and what sounded like the steady work of solving the world's problems. I just met someone there too, a woman I really look up to. One of those people who carries wisdom lightly, who listens more than she talks, who makes you feel like you belong in the conversation, even if you're still figuring things out. And the space matched her energy, inclusive, welcoming, and safe. It made me think about how we recognize trust in the physical world. We don't rush it. We take in the environment. We notice how people treat each other. We pay attention to how something feels over time. Just like that table in the corner, you could tell that trust wasn't built in a day. It showed up over mornings, over conversations, over simply being there again and again. Trust builds slowly. And it also reminded me of something we talked about recently, text scams. How that time of year brings that certain sense of urgency. Messages that look official, requests that feel like they need an immediate response. And how often those scams are really about one thing, getting access to your social security number. And then later that day, I saw something that felt very different, but also very connected. It was a post talking about what to do if your personal information has been exposed in a data breach. Simple steps like something called E-Verify Self-Lock. And then I realized this is one of those tools that's actually worth understanding. Because E-Verify Self-Lock is designed to protect you. It lets you place a lock on your social security number so it can't be used for new employment verification. So if someone tries to use your identity to get a job, the system flags it. It's a quiet layer of protection most people don't even know exists. I didn't even realize until I saw the post. But here's where we have to be careful. In the digital world, trust doesn't build slowly. It shows up instantly. A clean graphic, a confident voice, a sense of urgency. It feels like something you should act on right away. And that's exactly where scammers step in. Because if they can get you to click the wrong link or land on a fake version of a real site, they don't have to break in. You let them in. It's the gap between intention and execution. Wanting to protect yourself, but also being nudged to move too fast. So here's one small step that helps. If you want to set up E-Verify Self-Lock, do it directly and intentionally. The whole process takes about 10 minutes, and once it's on, no one can use your social security number for employment without you unlocking it first. No links from social posts, no shortcuts, just a direct path that you can control. Now, back at Latte Coffee, nothing felt rushed. And maybe that's part of growing into our digital lives too. Not reacting to everything that looks urgent, not trusting everything that looks polished, just slowing down long enough to choose where you place your trust. Thanks for joining me on this trip to Latte Coffee and for taking a small step to secure your digital life. Until then, stay safe and keep sipping.